How to transfer money from Zelle to PayPal. To send money from Zelle to PayPal, you need to connect your Zelle account to PayPal. However, I must inform you that there is no Add Money option in PayPal at the moment. But once you connect your Zelle account to PayPal, you can use your PayPal account similarly to Zelle. To do this, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Add Card or Bank. From there, select Link a Credit Card and enter your card details, including the card number, type, expiration date, security code, found on the back, and your billing address. After entering this information, click on Link Card, and your card will be linked to your PayPal account. From then on, whenever you use PayPal, it will automatically use the card you linked to your account. It's a simple process that only requires following the steps. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.